So, hi everyone. My name is Jim Phoenix. I am the CEO or founder of a movement, GG.UNIVERSE, and today I'm gonna talk about with you about why I build, what I am in that process, and all the stuff. So let's get into it. I did my 90 days lock-in I think from July till October, and I did that 90 days lock-in because I want to change my life, because I want to change myself first of all, because I think if you can change yourself, you can change everything. That's the main about being successful, about being someone different, about have a different lifestyle. So I told myself that it's time to be different. It's time to build something different for yourself. It's time to no more talking but doing the action, no more waiting but taking the action. So I locked in myself, I build my system, I create what now is GG.UNIVERSE, my brand, my movement. And one thing that I can tell you that it's not a brand, it's a result of you can say pressure, discipline and clarity that I had in the 90 days of lock-in that I did in my life. And every day for 90 days I show up, I did the thing that I know that I need to do in order to become the person I want to be, in order to become someone disciplined, in order to become someone consistent, in order to show up for the person I want, in order to change my life. The main thing is changing my life. The main thing was improving and become someone better, that the person I was before the 90 days. And I didn't have any idea. I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know if I was doing the right thing. I didn't know what I was going. And there was days that I doubt myself, that I question everything that I was doing. There was days that I feel like quitting, but I didn't, because in the days that I keep showing up, like going running every day, like showing up every day at the gym, like learning new stuff, learning new things about being disciplined, about motivation, learning new things about human behavior, learning new things about psychology, about human behavior and all this stuff. And I think that one thing that helped me to keep going, it was the fact that my life wasn't the way I wanted, because if at that time I quit, then I had to go back into my old life, and that was the most scary thing, the most, you can say, useless thing that I think of, because I didn't want to go back there. I didn't want to go back in my old life, in my old routines, in my old self-doubt, in my old work for someone else, work on long days, wake up early, and be in the workspace where everyone is so fucking stressed out, where everyone is so fucking you can say miserable up to a point, where everyone only think that they can think about is money. And even you see in those people's life, because I think one of the thing about myself, it's that I can see through people. I can understand the behavior about a person, of what they are doing, that why they are doing that, and I can see where that statement, where that things is coming from. And I think that I did that, and I see through people most of the time. I don't want to be like them. I don't want to live like them. I don't want to arrive at my 30s, 50 years and regret every decision that I make, regret my life, And I think it's another reason that I keep going, that I keep building, I keep learning, I keep improving myself. And I think most of the people in nowadays are very stressed out about money, it's very stressed out about life. And I think the main reason for that is that you settle for less, because the more stressed you are about your life, about your work, I think it's the main reason of that. Because inside of you, you know that you're meant for more. Inside of your heart, you can say have an idea about what kind of person you need to be, you want to be, you dream to be. But people are so scared, undisciplined in showing up for themselves. They are just living paycheck to paycheck in order to survive. And I think if we are living this life, we don't need to survive. We need to live, enjoy, and have fun in our life, not being stressed out 24 hours and go to work where we don't like. That's another thing that I notice people do. So I built GG.UNIVERSE because I needed something real, not just something to motivate, to inspire, but a system that keep you consistent, keep you disciplined in order to become the best version of myself. And I did that. So before in the past, I used to chase result. I wanted fast success in my life. I want fast validation from others. But when that thing is because of ego. Because when you want fast result, when you want fast success and validation from others, that only because you want to, you can say, fulfill your ego. And if that thing happen, then one day or another you can say fail. Because success is not something that comes fast to you. Success is not something that's you need to chase. But I think success is something that you can build for yourself, and you can create for yourself in order, thanks to disciplines and thanks to be consistent in your life. And I think the main point of success is of course discipline and consistency in your life. And I learned this thing during my 90 days lock-in, and I understand why being past success doesn't matter. I understand why it's very important to have structure in order to succeed. And now thanks to my 90 days lock-in, I changed me in so many ways. I think the way I think change a lot, the way I lead change a lot, the way I speak about myself, the way I see people, the way I create, the way I live my life on a daily basis change a lot. And thanks to this lock-in, I understand why it's so important in your 20s. The main thing, to build your life in your 20s, not have fun, not waste your time, waste your money, waste your energy on useless stuff. Because if you want to succeed in life, you need to have all these things. You need to have the right knowledge, you need to have the right energy, you need to have, you can say, the time. And the main thing is taking risk in your 20s is the most important thing. Because if you can take risk in your 20s, I can say that you're gonna succeed in your life. That's one thing that I think is happening, or it can happen if you take risk in your 20s like I did. Because I take risk of leaving my, you can say, safe job, save income that it was you can say something that I survive with, that something that I can enjoy my life, but in a limited it was limited, because I think if you live paycheck to paycheck, it's very limited thing. So in order to have new experience, in order to live your life to the fullest, you can't ensure you can't live a paycheck to paycheck. So in order to live your life to the fullest, you need more than the paycheck. You need more than you can say you need more than just money. You need to have the right mindset, of course, the right things in your life in order to have. I think GG.UNIVERSE, it's more than a name. It's a movement. You can say that it's a movement for the people who are done talking, who are done living paycheck to paycheck, who are done living limited in your life, who are done having a scarcity mindset, who are done working for someone else. That could be a thing, and are ready to take action, are ready to change, are ready to become someone new, are ready to risk their life their life, their time, in order to become the best version of themselves. So it's not for just people who are ready to take risk. It's also for creators, for dreamers, for people who have vision for themselves, for their life, for leaders who know that they are meant to lead, and who want to build something big, something real for themselves and for other people. So not just online in their life, but within, in yourself too, because GG.UNIVERSE gonna help you, and it is helping and teach you why pressure is important in order to succeed, and how you can change that pressure into power, and chaos that have you in mindset into clarity. So I think that pressure doesn't destroy you, but it helps you to build yourself. It help you to understand so many things about yourself, and that's what GG.UNIVERSE stand for. That is, I think, transformation within, consistency through mindset and discipline. So after my 90 days lock-in, I built GG.UNIVERSE during my 90 days lock-in, but now GG.UNIVERSE it's in a new era, in a Ascension Era, and this where your awareness match your meet and match your action. So I think if you know yourself enough well, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually, you can achieve more than what you think of. And this where emotional intelligence meet is action. So I think the 90 days lock-in was the foundation of the GG.UNIVERSE, and discipline, structure, self-mastery, and the Ascension Era is the evolution where you are connect to your higher consciousness and deep awareness, and you can become unshakable and unstoppable, because this new era is about mastering your energy, mastering your emotion and your identity, and not about chasing the goals, not about chasing you can say the outcome you want, but it's about becoming that frequency, and you have everything you want. So I used to chase things, I used to go after the outcome, but now I only exist on that frequency, and I attract everything that I want, because this Ascension Era, it's about alignment and evolution, and that's what GG.UNIVERSE stands for now. So if you are following my journey, you see depression, you see the work that I did, you see the growth, the change in my me, you have seen, and you have seen that I built something gonna help you to stay consistent and disciplined, even when you don't have motivation in your life, even when you don't feel like it. And now there's Ascension Era Portal. It's gonna take you to the next level. That's gonna rebuild your mindset. That's gonna make you. That's gonna help you to be on the right frequency, on the right vibration in order to attract what you want in your life. And it's gonna help you to achieve your purpose, and it's gonna help you to become the best version, the higher version of yourself, and live the life that you're meant for. So join GG.UNIVERSE tribe and be a part of something big, something that is changing lives, something that's gonna help you to build yourself, something that's gonna help you to have that clarity in your mindset, something that's gonna align with your purpose, something that's gonna help you to achieve those things that you desire of, the things you dream of, and the things that you know that you are meant